with me. Wave with me. Wave with me. Let's U-W-W-W wave with me. Wishing through the A-B's. W-W-W-W. Hooray, hooray. Learning letters every day. Wave for walrus, whiskers so neat. W is for waterfall, splash on your feet. W is for whale, singing with glee. W is for windmill, turning so free. Wave with me. W, 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 wave with me. Washing through the A-B's. W, 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 hooray, hooray. Learning letters every day.
It's so wonderful.
W is for walrus, whiskers so neat. W is for waterfall, splash on your feet. W is for whale, singing with glee. W is for windmill, turning so free. Wave with me. W, 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 wave with me. Whooshing through the A-B's. W, 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 hooray, hooray. Learning letters every day.
You were standing like me.
Tiny and Wily step onto a soft path shaped like the letter W. The ground gently sways like ocean waves.
Wily, the path is moving side to side. That means it's a W day.
Wave with me. Let's wave our arms and follow the motion. They wave happily as glowing W shapes float like ripples around them. A friendly walrus pops up on a snowy shore, brushing its whiskers proudly.
Wave hello, friends. I'm Walrus. W is for walrus. Whiskers so neat.
Your whiskers look funny. They help me feel the water move. Wave your hands like whiskers.
Tiny and Wily wave their hands back and forth.
That's fun. Wave along to the next W. They arrive at a sparkling waterfall. Gentle mist sprays around them.
Whoosh! Hello, explorers. I'm Waterfall. W is for waterfall. Splash on your feels. Cool.
I wave my water down, down, down. Stomp and splash with me. Tiny and Wily stomp gently and giggle.
Splashy fun.
Follow the flowing waves. I'm beautiful. A big friendly whale rises from the sea.
Smiling
Woo!
is for
Hello, I'm Whale. W is for whale, singing with glee.
You sound
Amazing! I sing songs that wave through the ocean. Sing and sway with me. Tiny and Wily sway and hum softly.
I like your song.
One more W is spinning ahead. A tall windmill spins slowly in the breeze. Hello, friends. I'm Windmill. W is for windmill, turning so free. Spin like a wave.
Rainbow windmill.
The wind helps me turn and wave hello. Spin your arms with me. Tiny and Wily spin gently, laughing. I feel dizzy but happy. Glowing letter W shapes float like rolling waves. W is for walrus, whiskers so neat. Water U is for water's whiskers so neat. W is for waterfall, splash on your feet.
W is for whale.
With glee. W is for windmill, turning so free. Wave with me. Everyone waves, sways, and spins.
Let's celebrate all day long. Let's celebrate all day long. Let's celebrate.
Wave with me. Wave with me. Wave with me. Let's W-W-W wave with me.
Welcome
Wishing
to
through
our
the
amazing
A-B's.
world.
W-W-W,
It's so wonderful to see
hooray,
you.
hooray.
Welcome to
Learning
our
letters every
amazing
day.
world. It's so wonderful to
Wave with a walrus, whiskers so neat. W is for waterfall, splash on your feet. W is for whale, singing with glee. W is for windmill, turning so free. Wave with me.
Welcome to our amazing world! It's so wonderful,
W is for walrus,
W
whiskers
is
so
for
neat.
walrus.
W is for
Wow,
waterfall, splash on
look!
your feet.
W is for whale.
W is for windmill, turning so free.
W